Hey everyone! Welcome back to Natural Soul Secret. If you're looking for an effective rice mask that can brighten and rejuvenate your skin naturally, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide to making and using a homemade rice mask for glowing skin. So, make sure to watch till the end and don't miss any important details. Let's get started. 1. Why use a rice mask? Rice is rich in antioxidants and fights aging signs. Helps in skin brightening and reducing dark spots. Soothes and hydrates the skin naturally. Controls oil production and prevents breakouts. Acts as a natural exfoliant for smooth skin. 2. DIY rice mask recipe. 2 tablespoons rice flour or blended soaked rice. 1 tablespoon honey. 2 tablespoons milk or rose water. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Method: mix all ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply evenly on clean skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Follow up with moisturizer for best results. 3. How often to use it? Oily skin, 2 to 3 times a week. Dry skin, 1 to 2 times a week with extra honey. Sensitive skin, once a week with aloe vera. 4. Additional skin benefits of rice. Reduces hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Gives instant glow and even skin tone. Keeps the skin soft, supple, and fresh. Fights free radicals and slows down aging. Have you tried a rice mask before? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Soul Secret for more amazing skincare tips. See you in the next video.